Configuring Automatic AirPlay on your iPhone 15 allows you to control how easily your device connects to AirPlay-enabled devices, balancing convenience with control over your audio and video streaming. Here's how it's done. To begin, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Next, scroll down and tap on AirPlay and Handoff. At the top of the next screen, tap on Automatically AirPlay. You'll see three options, namely Never, Ask, and Automatic. If you choose Never, AirPlay will not connect automatically. If you set it to Ask, your iPhone will prompt you before connecting to AirPlay devices. If it's Automatic, your iPhone will connect to AirPlay devices automatically when available. Just select your preferred option by tapping on it. Recent changes to your iPhone's AirPlay settings will be applied. Configuring this setting allows you to customize how your iPhone interacts with AirPlay devices, giving you control over your streaming experience. Should you wish to make necessary changes, just repeat the same steps to head back to the AirPlay settings menu. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.